See, he buys these kinds of slabs. How many he is buying? He is buying 9 slabs, each with a side of half meters. Means half. Each with a side. Half meters means this is half, this is half, this is half, this is half. Because it is a square slab. Here, this also half. This also half. So he used these 9 slabs. He lays them in the form of a square. So in the first figure, if you see in the question, we have 2 figures. In one figure, the Amit is making an arrangement in the form of a square slab. See, total he is having 9 square slabs, and with that 9 square slabs, he will make one square arrangement. See here, if you see it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So he has used those 9 slabs and made this square arrangement. Clear? Now, what is the perimeter of this arrangement? We need to find out the perimeter of this arrangement. So how to find out the perimeter of this arrangement? See, this arrangement, it is a square because the 3 squares, here also 3, here also 3, this also 3, this also 3. Means everywhere it is 3 squares. It means that this is also a squares arrangement. So square arrangement means all the sides will be equal. First we need to find out what is the length of the each side. Here this is half meter, this is also half meter, and this is also half meter. Total how many meters now? Half plus half is 1. 1 plus half is 1 and half. 1 and half. One side is 1 and half. This 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 side is 1 and half. We need to find out the perimeter of that arrangement. Clear? Okay, fine. First find out a solution for a question. What is the perimeter of this arrangement? So first we need to get the length of the arrangement. Length of the arrangement. What is the length of the arrangement? Each slab is half. So how many slabs they kept? 1, 2, 3. 3 slabs means 3 and and G to H also 1 slab half meter, and H to I is 2 slabs 1 meter, I to J is 2 slabs 1 meter, and K to J is 1 slab half meter, and K to L is 2 slabs 1 meter, and A to L is 2 slabs 1 meter. Now find out the perimeter of that arrangement. How to find out? Perimeter is equals to, we need to add all the sides. First we start from A to B plus B to C plus C to D plus D to E plus E to F, again F to G, again G to H, again H to I, next I to J plus J to K plus K to L, next L to A, L to A. Where we have started? There yesterday we have started from A, we have ended with A. Now write down the each values. AB, see in the figure, AB is half and BC is 1, again CD is 1, again DE is half, again DF is 1, FG is 1, FG is 1, and GH is half, HI is 1, IJ 1, JK half, KL 1 plus LA 1, LA 1. So total, if you check it out, how many halves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 halves. You have written or no? You checked? 1, 2, 3, 4 halves. Fine. And rest all it is 1. Total, how many ones are there? Also check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 8 ones are there. 8 ones means it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, we should add 8 times. It is 8 meters plus, how many halves are there? 4 halves are there. 4 halves is nothing but how many fulls? 4 into half. 2 ones are 2 twos are. It is 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10 meters. So what kind of, so in cross you are getting the perimeter of 10 meters. In square we are getting a perimeter of 6 meters. So this is your solution for B question. And C question is what? Which has a greater perimeter? Which has a greater perimeter? C question answer I am writing. So they were asking whether square has a greater perimeter or cross has a greater perimeter. See, square is having 6 meters perimeter and cross is having 10 meters perimeter. Therefore, cross have greater perimeter. Greater perimeter. Clear? Cross is having a greater perimeter. Okay. And next, last question, it is your homework. The thing is, Amnik wonders if there is a way of getting an even greater perimeter. Means, see, after Shari's arrangement, Avneet gets wonder